the truth.
Hello guys, welcome back to my Roblox scripting tutorial series. And in this video, I'm going to be going over parenting, which is reference to how to get an object from your workspace. So let's go ahead and get to it. So what you want to do is insert a server script in server script service. And then what you want to do is insert a part into your workspace by simply clicking the parts button in the home tab. So now once you have your part here located, I'm going to go ahead and name this something else. So you can go to View tab, and under Properties, you can open your properties, and right here is the name of your object. So I'm going to rename this so we can visualize and really see our object. So I'm going to name this Test. Now with our part being named Test in our workspace service, I'm going to go to my script here. And what I'm going to do is, from the previous video of where we learned how to do a local variable, is what we're going to use in this video for parenting. So we're going to do local test. Now when I am scripting, I like to use and name my local variable the same name as my object in workspace. So now that you have that down, I'm going to equal it to my parenting. Now in order to get my object, we're going to parent it to my variable so we can use my object. So in order to do that, we can do game.workspace. Now what this means is we're going to make a game variable, which represents meaning you're getting the game. And then once you get the game, you're going to look for a service called workspace, because that's where our object is located. Then we're going to do another dot, and we're going to do test. And as you can see, we grabbed our object from workspace, which is test, and here's test. So now you have defined and parented your object here to your variable. So now what we can do is we can print our variable. So if we print a variable test and you click the run button and you go to View tab in the output, as you can see, it will print test. And the reason it prints test is because we are printing our object, which is equivalent to our variable, and our object is called test, so it's going to print its name, test, because that's the name of our object. So that is how you parent and grab your object from workspace to your local variable. So now if you want to take your object and you want to parent it to a different location, to a different service, you can go to the View tab, you can go to Properties, and you can select the parent, and you can, once you selected parent, then you're going to click on a different service. So for an example, replicated storage. Now as you can see, the object's parent has been moved to a service called replicated storage. So that is simply how you move or parent something or reference something in Roblox scripting. So thank you guys so much for coming. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys.